This orchid is also known as chocolate orchid. As the name suggests, it carries the sweetness of chocolate with a distinctive vanilla scent. To us, this is a very sophisticated and complex woody fragrance, making it a perfect addition to our collection. With the presence of therapeutic orchids, they help to improve your mood and feelings of well-being, energizing you for the day ahead. Not only that, you will find most plants have medicinal properties, and these orchids are no exception. Let's find out more. Dressed in a veil of vibrant yellow hues, this therapeutic orchid can brighten up a room with its lovely blooms. On top of being a Chinese healing herb, it plays a role in stimulating dopamine, a vital chemical secretion for our brain's mental well-being, which could help fight against Parkinson's disease. The whole of this orchid can be made into paste and applied externally to enrich yin, remove gas, and reduce swelling. Used in decoction, it helps treat coughs, headaches, and dizziness. To add a lingering depth and warmth to our base notes, cedarwood, oak moss, tobacco, and vetiver are other scent notes that are part of this fragrance composition to help us achieve it. Cedarwood, a soft, warm, woody scent, topped with a dash of freshness, remains a classic ingredient in many perfumes. Early records have revealed that cedarwood essential oil has been used since centuries ago for both sedative and medicinal purposes. Now it is still commonly utilized to achieve similar effects in the practice of aromatherapy. It is said to benefit mental and physical health. Used in perfumes since ancient times, vetiver is one of the most popular fragrance ingredients. Emitting an earthy, woody, and green scent, it works brilliantly as a base note and fixative in perfumes. There's also evidence that states that vetiver essential oil can improve focus and memory and reduce stress, all of which enhances productivity and creativity. Subtly sensual and mysterious, this fragrance composition speaks of elegance and effortless beauty.